Hello students, here I am going to discuss about computational models in embedded system design. There are many computational models, but in this video I am going to discuss a data flow graph model and second one, that is control data flow graph. First one, data flow graph or diagram, DFG. The data flow graph model translates the data processing requirements into a data flow graph. The data flow graph model is a data driven model in which the program execution is determined by data. This model emphasizes on the data and operations on the data which transform the input data to output data. Data flow graph is a visual model in which the operation on data is represented using a block or circle, and data flow is represented using arrows. An inward arrow to the process represents input data, and an outward arrow from the process represent output data in data flow graph notation. Now let's consider an example. Suppose one of the functions in an application contains the computational requirements x equals to a plus b and y equals to x minus c. So first one, x equals to a plus b and y equals to x minus c. This figure illustrates the implementation of a model of a DFG model for implementing these requirements. See here, x equals to a plus b and y equals to this x minus this c. Embedded applications which are computational intensive and data driven are modeled using the DFG model. DSP applications are typical examples for this type of model. In a DFG model, a data path is the data flow path from input to output. A DFG model is said to be a cyclic DFG model if it doesn't contain multiple values for the input variable and multiple output values for a given set of inputs. Feedback inputs, events, etc. are examples for non-acyclic inputs. A DFG model translates the program as a single sequential process execution. Next, second one, control data flow graph, CDFG. The control DFG model is used for modeling applications involving conditional program execution. CDFG models contains both data operations and control operations. The CDFG uses data flow graph as element and conditional as decision makers. CDFG contains both data flow nodes and decision nodes, whereas DFG contains only data flow nodes. Let's consider a requirement. If flag equals to 1, then output must be a plus b, otherwise a minus b. See in this figure, if flag equals to 1, If it is true here, if it is true, the output, this one, output is A plus B. Else, if it is false, means flag is not equals to 1, that is false, then output is A minus B. The control node is represented by a diamond block, this one, which is the decision making element in a normal flowchart based design. CDFG translates the requirement which is modeled to a concurrent process model. The decision on which process is to be executed is determined by the control node. Thank you.